Hey, welcome back. So far we've made one thing at a time. Now let's make a whole set at once, and most importantly, let's keep them all in the same consistent matching style. Two nodes team up for this. First the batch node, right here, and the style reference node. Let's build a little game asset pack. Just for reference, let's drop in the batch node right here. The batch node is basically a for each loop. You give it a list, and the node you feed it to runs once per item. Next, the style reference node is the style keeper. It makes new images in the look of the reference image. You can put them together and you get as many assets in one unified style as you want. First, we gotta define the look. I've prepared those images and we can just select them, drop them here, and then add them as style references simply by dragging and connecting them here. That's the style the new images will match. Let's put them here. And now let's go over the batch node. We can set it to text as we want to generate new assets which are generated from a prompt. And let's list the assets we want. For that, we can simply add a text input node. And let's just duplicate those on that node a couple of times to create 6 different assets in that style. And now we can simply connect that into the prompts input. And now we fill in each text input with the different asset we want. Nice, so I filled each one in, and we want a baby dragon, a fox, an owl, a sword, a treasure chest, and a shield. Each one in that style. So now you can see in the batch node, it lists all those different variations of the prompt. Now all we have to do is connect the output of the batch node to the input of the prompt style reference. And you'll see the panel on the bottom here says run 6 times, which means it will simply run the style reference node 6 times for each node. Or not for each node, for each text prompt input. And because the style key is fixed, this doesn't change. Each output, for example the baby dragon, will follow that style. And now all we have to do is simply click run to start the generation, and it will now go over all the prompts we set here and generate those. Let's wait for it to finish. I'll skip to the part when it's done and I'll see you there. And after about a minute, all the new assets get generated in the same style. And they follow the style we set here pretty accurately, man. Those look amazing. Now you can see if we can select one generation here to activate it. Now we can collect results node right here to pull out each result on its own. We can set that to, how many did we generate? 6, so we set that to 6. And now we can put out each result we have right here. And if we now want, we can add another batch node right here. Let's set it to images, connect the set. And now we could connect it to an image3D node. And now we could simply generate a 3D model from each one of those by just clicking run. I'll not do that now. And let's try that again with another style. So let's delete those. We'll keep the prompts as is. And we can simply add a new style reference now. So we can put those here, connect them right here. Let's use that one. This second one, this one as well, this one as well, and the last one. So we set a new style now. And now all we have to do is click run again to generate the same assets we defined here, but in a new style. And just like magic, all those assets we defined now got generated in the new style. And that's just amazing. So you can really use that workflow to generate any assets you like in batch and keep a consistent style. And there you go. You've basically made an asset pack builder by hand by using the batch node and a style reference node, where you can create as many assets as you like in the same style with one run. So now you know how to build all of this by hand. But here's the fun part. In the next guide, I'll show you how the AI builder can wire up all of this for you. You just describe what you want and it places and connects the nodes itself. You don't need manual building, and I'll see you there.